Hey everyone, welcome to Accounting and Bookkeeping Made Simple. Have you ever wondered how businesses know if they're making money or losing it? Or why accountants and investors seem to talk in a language all their own? Today, we're going to break it all down, from the basics of accounting, to bookkeeping, and why it matters, in a way that's super easy to understand. Accounting is like the language of business. It tells the story of money, what a business owns, what it owes, and whether it's making a profit or a loss. Think of it like a storybook, but instead of characters and words, the story is told with numbers and financial transactions. For example, if a company buys a computer for $1,000, accounting helps record that purchase, track its value, and show how it affects the company's overall finances. Bookkeeping is a key part of accounting. It's the actual recording of every financial transaction, sales, purchases, payments, receipts. Everything goes into the books. Accounting is the bigger picture. It interprets this information to help make decisions. Bookkeeping is like the foundation of a building, and accounting is the entire structure built on it. Accounting information isn't just for accountants. It's used by investors, who want to see if a company is profitable; managers, who make business decisions; regulators, who make sure companies follow the law. Even employees can use accounting information to understand how the business is doing. Everyone relies on accurate financial information to make informed choices. Imagine running a business without accounting. You wouldn't know if you're making a profit, paying too much in expenses, or how much money you have to invest in growth. Accounting provides clarity. It shows what resources are available, what obligations the business has, and how well it is performing. It allows owners and managers to make smart, data-driven decisions, instead of guessing. So, today we learned, accounting is the language of business, telling the story of money. Bookkeeping is the detailed recording of all transactions. Accounting information is used by investors, managers, regulators, and employees to make decisions. Most importantly, accounting helps businesses plan, manage, and grow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next one.